araw katagal. This is Andy from Go Pedal PH and we will have a quick bike check sa ating bagong dating at napakamainit pang carbon road bike ng Giant. So ating isa-isahin kung anong specs nitong bike na to, ano ang kanyang bigat, ano ang kanyang sukat, ano ang kanyang kulay at ang kanyang halaga. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na! Weight check, Giant Defy Advance 1, 8.5 kilograms. That is size medium. Kuya Mac, anong height mo? 5'3". Tingnan mo nga kung kasya sa'yo. Sorry Kuya Mac, ang size niya small or extra small. Kuya Mac, paano nga? Sound check yung gulong. Sound check. Tunog. Mahinhin. Diba na tunog? Diba, 8.5 kilograms para sa medium. Salamat po. So, this is Giant Defy Advance 1 2025. Ang maganda dito sa model na to ay internal na po ang kanyang cabling. Pansinin nyo. So, malinis na po yan. Okay, this is a 2x12 Shimano 105 Ti2 na. Wow! It's a carbon frame, carbon fork, glossy type of frame. Okay, meron siyang bolt dito para sa bottle cage, meron din dito. And then, ang gulong niya ay 700C by 32C. Wow! So, ito ay parang cyclocross, meaning pwede siyang gawing gravel bike. Papalitan niyo lang yung gulong niya from 32 to 38. Maximum tire clearance is 38. Maganda dito sa model na to. Tubeless na po ang kanyang tire. Okay. Crank is Shimano 105 Street. 50-34 ang kanyang ngipin. 172.5 ang kanyang haba for a medium size ng frame. Di2 operated na po siya. Po ito. So, andito po yung battery niyan. Saddle is approach. Okay. And ang kanyang cogs ay 1134. Grabe. Pero, in the event na gusto nyo mas malaki pa yung kanyang cogs, pwede nyo pong gawing 1136 yan. But Shimano 105 din po yung kukunin yung cogs. Okay? Yan. Napakaganda. So, based on the weight check kanina, it's 8.5 kilograms only. This is 165,000. Carbon frame, carbon fork. Shimano 105 Di2 na po siya. Napakaganda ng kulay, oh. Grabe. Yun. So, this is available here at Go Pedal PH. Okay, meron po tayong credit card payment, online banking GCash, for credit card streets, for MasterCard and Visa. For video, meron po tayong promo na buy now, pay later, 0% for 12 months. So, kung kayo po ay interested, we can pay it online or visit here in Arcovia. There you go. A very, very quick bike check. Ayan. So, yung kanyang stem ay 100 yung sukat. Handlebar is 42, center to center, 44 point to point. Yan. Tapos tapered na po yung kanyang headset. Yan. So, meron din siyang nakalagay dito na Defy. So, Giant has a warranty. So, pag may mangyari, factory defect, you can claim your warranty with Go Pedal PH. Ayan. Available na po. Thank you. Ayan. So, available na po ang ating Giant Defy Advance 1 here at Go Pedal PH. For only 165,000 pesos. At meron pa po siyang cash discounts if you prefer to pay in cash. And we have a credit card promo right now na buy now, pay later kay BDO. So if you charge today, ang kanyang possible charging is 3 to 4 months after your cut-off. Yan, so very quick lang ng review for today. Ingat po sa lahat!